A couple of things to remember at the beginning is this very helpful and I think seminal quote from a case this year called Warwickshire County Council and a Mother. It was before Mrs. Justice Leven in the High Court, and she sets out in this case that we have to remember that in a very large number of cases that appear before the family courts, particularly concerning parents, there will be some degree of animosity towards each other, and whether consciously or unconsciously, they will influence the views of the children about the other parent. It must, however, be remembered that children are autonomous human beings who have their own feelings and their own perceptions. I want everyone to hold that quote in their mind as we move through the presentation today, because it is important to remember that all families are different. Just because a particular family acts in a particular way does not necessarily mean that that will be true for all families or all children. Another key feature of alienation in children is that they do not recognize or respect the decisions of adults or authority in respect of one of their parents. So a lot of the time in alienation cases, judges will write letters to children, or social workers or guardians or CAFCAS officers will speak to children directly and inform them that the court has made a decision that they should see the other parent that they are displaying this behaviour towards, and that is something that everyone agrees is right for them to do. Often that child will really push back against that authority and push back against those adults in a way that they don't in their normal life. So we'll get school reports, for example, saying this child is a pleasure to teach, this child is very calm at school, this child has lots of friends, this child is engaging well. But when they are spoken to about their other parent, they kick back, they become extremely aggressive, they are disrespectful of authority, and they don't take orders or listen to being told what to do, as well as they would in other areas of their life. Let's say that child refused to go to contact, no legitimate reason is found, and there is a suspicion that a parent is engaging in alienating behaviours, as we looked at. And those findings are then made. It is found by the court that a parent is displaying those behaviours, that a child has been alienated from the other parent, and that is the reason that this case is before the court. What does the court do about it? How do we fix it?